What if I told you that everything you thought your life should be could disappear overnight? Your dreams, your plans, your security gone. And then you could come out stronger than ever. That was my life 9 years ago. I went through a painful divorce, raising my 3-year-old daughter all alone. We lost our home, our savings, everything I worked for. I felt like a failure, like life had betrayed me. I wanted the perfect life, marriage, kid, a house, financial stability, but all of it crumbled. And in that destruction, I discovered the power of mindset. Today I'm sharing 5 mindset shifts that changed my life and can change yours too. Studies show that people who actively work our mindset are 40% more likely to bounce back from setbacks. Shift number 1, let go of what life should be. I spent years thinking happiness came from meeting societal expectations like marriage, wealthy, successful. But I realized something. Life doesn't have a single blueprint. I started doing things I would have never allowed myself. Going out alone, trying new hobbies, exploring passions I had ignored. Letting go of shoulds freed me to actually enjoy life, not just survive it. And remember, Dalai Lama says happiness is not something ready-made, it comes from your own actions. Shift number 2, happiness comes from within. I used to look for happiness in relationships, friends, family, or my career, but I kept feeling empty. The breakthrough, I learned to be happy on my own. When you stop relying on others to feel good, you reclaim your power. Your happiness becomes internal, not external. As Steve Maraboli says, the most powerful relationship you will ever have is the relationship with yourself. Shift number 3, accept yourself fully. I chased perfection, thinking I had to do everything right, but self-criticism crushed me. Acceptance was freedom. Accept your limits and your mistakes, and you will finally have room for growth. Brené Brown says this: owning our story and loving ourselves through that process is the bravest thing that we will ever do. Shift number 4, let go of toxic people. Not everyone in your life helps you grow. Some hold you back. I had to distance myself from friends, co-workers, even some family members who didn't support my growth. Painful? Yes. Necessary? Absolutely. Research shows that people with supportive social networks are 50% more resilient during stressful times. When you let go of toxic connections, you make room for real growth, joy, and authentic relationships. Shift number 5, live in the present. The past can haunt us, and the future can paralyze us. I had to learn to focus on now. Stop ruminating on mistakes. Stop obsessing over what might happen. Start noticing the moment in front of you. Your breath, your surroundings, your child's laugh, your small victories. Buddha says, do not dwell in the past. Do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. These 5 shifts, letting go of rigid expectations, finding happiness within, accepting yourself, releasing toxic people, and living in the present, changed my life completely. You can start today. Pick one shift. Let go of one expectation. Smile at one moment. Walk away from one negative influence. If this video resonated with you, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today. Let's create a community of people who rise from struggle, embrace growth, and live intentionally. Remember, life may knock you down, but the right mindset will always lift you higher.